had the sudden urge to clear some clutter in our laundry room from top to bottom and refresh the space with a fresh coat of paint, a few new essentials I've been wanting to try, and a new area rug for the space. And during this process, I've learned a few laundry room hacks that I think you guys may want to try. And this video is in collaboration with Grove Collaborative. Most of my organic cleaning products come from Grove Collaborative, and they deliver straight to your door. Today I have an exciting new offer for you. If you're a new customer and you've been wanting to try their new products, order a minimum of $20 and you'll get everything you see here: the Grove laundry detergent pouch, the laundry detergent vessel, and their stain remover, and a 60-day VIP trial. When new customers spend $39 or more, and $39 can go a long way at Grove, you will receive a free Grove sink side tray in addition to other free items. Existing customers will get a free set of the Grove walnut scrubber sponges. Now here's a side note, you guys. Grove only ships to the lower 48 states at this time. That means no Canada, no Hawaii or Alaska. And I'll have a link down below in case you want to take advantage of this fabulous offer. I'm so in love with the auto-dosing laundry detergent dispenser. It would make a statement in any laundry room. Use one for detergent, the other for fabric softener, or use one dispenser for just detergent. Or place both your detergent and spot remover on the tray. You can not only use their sink tray for soap, but you can also use it in the bathroom, or you can use it as a plant watering tray. These plants are faux and they're from at-home stores, and I purchased them at the end of summer at 90% off. I cannot stress how shopping off-season can save you a ton of money, and I love how the plants look on top of the sink tray. After using Grove Collaborative for the past few years, I get questions all the time. Do you still use Grove? Do you still like them? Yes, I still use them and I still love them. I get tons of questions about my laundry routine as well, and it's far from ideal, you guys. No harsh ingredients, wasteful packaging, and sticky dribbles of detergent left behind. That just drives me crazy. I've been using the Grove Collaborative plant-based laundry detergent that works just as well, if not better, than top brands, and it's made with natural cleaning enzymes that works really well on stains. What I'm most excited about is their new patent reusable glass dispenser that puts out the perfect amount of soap each and every time. How cute is this? No need to measure because it has an auto measuring mechanism. When it's time to refill, just pour the detergent from the pouch into the vessel and you're ready for the next load without any wasteful plastic dispensers. And I'll have that link down below. I've also been loving the Method fabric softener and the beach sage scent. It leaves our clothes smelling clean and fresh and not too perfumey, and their fragrance boosters works fantastic with the softener. I'm all about visual decor and color, so I poured the beads inside this vessel I already had, and I'm using a measuring spoon as my lid for easy grab and go, although the packaging is pretty enough just the way it is. I love using the Grove dryer balls. They get your clothes naturally soft without using harsh chemicals and less wrinkles. I'm really pleased with them, and Target had this adorable basket at their dollar spot for only $3, perfect for storing your dryer balls next to all of your pretty. Or you can hang your basket and add a pop of color using faux flowers, making a dreaded space more pleasing. And lately I've been experiencing things like wet clothes after the final spin and excessive vibration on the spin cycle that scares the you know what out of me. You know that sound where it sounds like someone's trying to get out of your washer? Well, if you're having any of those issues, try cleaning out your pump on your front load washer. Most washers have an access door. Here on the bottom right hand corner, use a coin to open the access door, and inside you will see the filter. Put a towel down to protect your floors and grab a shallow dish to catch the water. Turn the filter counterclockwise, very slow. Remove the filter and allow the water to finish draining into the tray. And look what's here! 37 cents and 6 screws and lots of debris. So far there's been no vibration or soggy clothes. The Arm & Hammer Moisture Absorber and Odor Eliminator has been a blessing to us to get rid of the musty smells that's in the air. Usually when we go away on vacation, or if we're going away for a while, the house gets closed up and there's that excess moisture that gets trapped in the air. This is perfect to use in enclosed spaces like closets and laundry rooms. Just remove and peel off the lid, but leave the white safety cover in place and replace the grill lid and place it on a flat surface. The crystals will harden and dissolve up to 60 days. When the crystals are completely dissolved, just throw it away in the trash, and you can get this from Walmart. If you don't have a lint bin in your laundry room, get one. Keeping a lint bin in your laundry room can save you time and help you keep your room tidy. I've always kept a lint bin in our laundry room and it's been the greatest. It's always there when I need it. My issue is I'm the only one who dumps it. This hack I got off of Pinterest and I'm using a clear brochure holder as our lint bin. No tools needed because there's adhesive tape on the back that allows you to stick it anywhere and you can visually see when it's time to be emptied. I didn't use tape because I wanted to be able to remove and place it back when we needed to dump it. Wait a minute, when I need to dump it. I added peel and stick letters so everyone knows where the lint goes. I freshened up the most used room in our home, giving it a fresh coat of paint. In fact, it's the most inexpensive way to get a lot of bang for your buck, and the name of this paint will be down in my description box. I got busy organizing the drawer under our washer and dryer and added peel and stick liners to the bottom. I upcycled these baskets from an old freezer and they fit perfectly inside. My shark steamer attachments are contained while opening and closing the drawer. Utilizing every inch of space that I could, I added these clear containers with clear tops so I can view what's inside, and I'm using my labeler to identify charging cords to help me keep track of what goes where. My hand vac is the main cord that I use often, and creating a system that you can easily get to saves you a ton of time. On the other side, my replacement steam mop pads, cleaning rags, and the Grove Collaborative stain remover. Extra softener bags and hand dish and laundry refills are here. Most ironing boards come with covers. Get a new one if yours is dingy and burnt. This one set me back $10. It has a nice thick pad on it, slashes your ironing time in half. And I found a holder. My hand steamer, they are so awkward to store. Target had one on sale for $11.69. Such a great space saver when you're short on space. So I hope this video was very helpful to you. Do you plan to tackle your laundry room now, or do you wait until spring for spring cleaning? I would love to know. Leave me a comment, and I want to thank you all for watching.